Okay, we see the pigtail came out. Good. All right. No, go forward because the door's that way.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, wait till you get opposite of that door. Now go back as far as you can. That pulls all the slack, that's good. Now go straight in.